Good morning. This is Mike Johnson with the National Weather Service in San Angelo, and this is the morning weather briefing for Wednesday, January 29th. Well, we've got some big changes on the way this week, so we'll go ahead and dive right into them. Well, we're starting out the day very cold. In fact, some of the temperatures out there are among the coldest temperatures that we've seen in several years across west central Texas. Most of the area is in the low to mid teens. However, some locations have fallen into the single digits, especially in the sheltered areas, low-lying river valleys. Sterling City's been down as cold as 3 degrees this morning, and it's been 8 degrees in Mertzen, 9 degrees in Weinert, and we've even hit 11 degrees here in San Angelo, which puts that temperature at the second coldest temperature recorded at Mathis Field since 1997. So we've got some real cold air out there. Luckily, we'll see a lot of sun today. Winds will increase a little bit, 10 to 15 miles per hour by this afternoon, and that'll push temperatures up into the upper 40s to around 50 degrees. We'll see an elevated fire danger with those gusty winds this afternoon and low relative humidity, so be careful outside. Looking ahead to Thursday and Friday, we'll see temperatures warm into the 70s area-wide. Looks like a little bit cooler on Thursday with highs ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s. But by Friday, we'll see temperatures in the mid-70s to around 80 degrees. Stronger winds on Thursday will increase the fire danger. We do expect southwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour, and we will see some gusts out there during the afternoon hours at around 35 miles per hour. So we'll have to watch out for the fire danger. In fact, we have a fire weather watch for Thursday afternoon, basically from noon to 6 p.m. And that's to account for the warm temperatures, low relative humidities, and strong winds. If a fire does start, these conditions will make it difficult to control as fire spread quickly in these type of weather conditions. Again, most wildfires are started by people, so just be careful and cognizant of what you're doing out there if you got any activities that involve open flames or sparks, as those are some of the leading causes of these wildfires. We'll move ahead a little bit into Sunday. We'll have a cold front come through the area over the weekend. That's going to cool temperatures off a bit. Saturday won't be quite as cool, but on Sunday, I expect temperatures to remain in the 40s and 50s across west central Texas. We'll see some northeast winds at the surface, but above the surface, a couple thousand feet up, we'll see southeast winds return, and that's going to bring some moisture over the top of this cooler air. And we expect some light rain showers to develop during the day, and that'll help keep those temperatures down as well. Right now, rain chances are only around 20%, but they may go up if these conditions continue to show themselves in the models. Again, precipitation should remain light, generally less than 1/10 of an inch anywhere across the area. Take a look at the temperature outlook for next week. This is February 3rd through the 7th, which basically starts on Monday, from the Climate Prediction Center, and we can see a large area of below normal temperatures expected across much of the lower 48. That does include west central Texas, and that's kind of what we're looking at with this cold front coming in on Sunday. It'll be followed by another cold front as we move into the early part of next week, which will reinforce that cold air and in fact should enhance our rain chances. If we look at the precipitation forecast for the same time, again, this green area that we looked at yesterday has shifted farther south, and that includes basically all of the southern plains with anticipated above normal precipitation. So we'll keep our fingers crossed for that, and hopefully this comes to pass, as we haven't had measurable precipitation in almost 40 days across Abilene, San Angelo area. Again, you can find your forecast on our social media accounts, that be YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter, or you can just go to our webpage at www.weather.gov/San Angelo.